I'm gonna see if I can get a video of the noises I'm hearing. Yep. That's it.